Okay. Hello, my dear Elizas. Welcome to Eliza and Beauty. This is your favorite makeupreneur, Ranjana Bhatia. Guys, today I'm going to create an important marketing profile that is the Pinterest, and I also suggest you to create Pinterest board for your business because it will be really very helpful. And today I'll be creating my Pinterest board with you all. So let's start. So I have already signed up for my Pinterest board in my Elizen Beauty Gmail account, but I will be showing you how it will look while creating initial stage with the another Gmail, and I'll be using my personal Gmail with that. Enter your birth date. Now will be under the gender and living conditions, and then this is the interest board, that what kind of pins you will be showing to people or will be shown to you of other people. So I'll be adding life hacks, beauty, makeup and all things related to my business only. Or when then we will convert it to the business profile, and for this we just need to upgrade it for free. Now we need to describe the business. Mine is consumer good, like beauty brands and all. And you all, so let's start. So business name, you should write your business name in the section. Then your website. Mine is elizenbeauty.org. Then go to next. Then you have to add a few details about your business. What are your business goals? To increase sale, to generate brand awareness and all, and you want to add traffic to your site. So these things, I suggest you to go for brand awareness in the initial stage of your business. Then what is the focus of your brand? Mine is beauty. And then if you are interested in running ads on Pinterest. So you need to create a pin, claim your website or build your profile. So you can choose any of them. Showcase your brand, help people on Pinterest get to know about your brand. Yeah, so these are the details of your business. I have already filled it up. You can add as well, and I'm going to add my email address. And then is country code. Number and address, and then is save. This is account management. You can add more details, business type, and these. If you want to deactivate your account, you can do that. Then profile visibility, you want to make it private or public, that's your call. And this is the, you can connect the Instagram account. It is already connected with Instagram account of mine. Allow, it is already connected to the Instagram profile of mine. Allow it. And it is already connected. All right. And claim your website, like you can attach your website. You can add this HTML tag to your website code board, or these HTML file, anyway you are feel comfortable with. And this is grow your business with Pinterest, you can connect with that. This is the dashboard. You can set up your team, create partnership or accounts in this. And then this is profiles. Okay, so this is your profile. Now this is asset group. You can add asset, your brand, product line, and these things. All right. I'm naming it Elysian Assets. Now audience, you need to select which ad account to share from. This is the ad account. You can add your ad account here. And this is brand safety. And this is business settings. And you can create your business hierarchy if you are having management. And this is business hub. Here you can create pins that can be turned into ads. Alright, you can claim your domain, install Pinterest tags. These are the things that you can connect with your website. And this is the your analytics board. This is the Pinterest tag. This can be added by your Pinterest ad account or Google ad account. So I don't think so it is available in our country. Yeah. So if it is available in your country, do that. This is home feed. This is create catalog. You can create your catalog here. Catalog name. You can add the name of your collection or lip glosses and your product's name, whatever you want to add. Mine first collection, lip gloss collection, unapologetic shine collection. Yeah, so you can add a data source, provide a URL link to your host site. Yeah, you can claim this Pinterest domain in your website. You can copy this code and paste it in the head section of your website. I have done that, but somehow it is not working. You can download this HTML file and add it to your website root directory or this text to your host domain. This is the diagnostic center. This is the diagnostic center. You can add your product here, product groups here by name or ID, data source. I have copied the code to my HTML tag, but somehow it is not working. You can try yours. I'll later try it. So you can create your pin, like add a video or image which you want to add, then you can add the title, and the description for the pin to help people understand what is the pin. And then you can add the link, any link to your site, any social media profile, you can add that, so can people follow you from there. I have added the YouTube link. You can click there and go to my YouTube channel and follow me there. can promote the pin, right? If you want to promote the, obviously I can do pins ad, but if it is available in your area you can do that, surely do that. And you can see all your created pin in this pin board. Alright, and guys, link will be in the description of my Pinterest board. You can click the link and follow me here. Alright guys, so if you want to add previously uploaded video from in your YouTube or Instagram, you can also share that, but just click on the video and share through Pinterest, and the whole content of the video will be added to the Pinterest board. You can send it there. Now you can promote product groups, these things. You can create campaign, analytics overview, business hierarchy, marketing plan. You can do the whole marketing thing with your own hands. You don't need any company or marketing manager to do that. So guys, this is all for today. I'll be back with another amazing tutorial or video about my latest products and latest news. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, and link is in the description. Please follow me on Pinterest. So till then, bye bye, sayonara. I love you.